Did you know you could pair your Infinix Note 8 with another Infinix device and have both devices play the same song for a louder stereo output? This is one of the several hidden tips and tricks I'll be sharing with you guys in this video. And so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. YoParty App is an app on your device that helps you achieve this. Launch the app on your Infinix Note 8 device and also on any other Infinix smartphone. It might be helpful to connect these devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Create a party with the Infinix Note 8 and join the party with the other device. You should be prompted to scan a QR code and the two devices will get connected. Playing the music from the host device automatically plays on the other smartphone at the same time, giving you a louder audio. Tip number 2 is live transcribe. This is a feature that helps you dictate to your phone and get a written version. It actually works pretty well, but needs an internet connection to have it work its magic. Swipe down the notification pane, swipe to the left and tap on the live transcribe to launch. You can now speak to your phone and get the written out version for your use. Tip number 3. Do you want to cast your Note 8's display to a larger display for, say, a presentation? This can be easily done by connecting to the same Wi-Fi network as the Windows or smart TV you'll be using for this. Go to the settings from your smartphone, click on More Connections, select Cast, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen and enable wireless display. Your display should be listed here, select it and allow from the prompt on your PC and you should get your smartphone display mirrored on the larger screen. Tip numero 4. This might seem simple, but it's something I can't live without, and that's the gesture navigation from your smartphone. The old traditional navigation was okay, but I simply prefer swipes, and if you also do, you can switch to those by going into your settings, scroll down and select System Navigation, and then activate Gesture Navigation for swipes on your smartphone instead. This makes navigating your device and even web pages quite easy by swiping from the corner of your screen. Did you know that swiping and holding from the corner of the Note 8 screen for about a second reveals shortcuts to apps which can be user assigned? You can set up your frequently used apps to this shortcut, making your experience with the Note 8 more amazing. Now let's move over to the camera section tips. If the videos you record on your Infinix Note 8 are shaky, you could stabilize them by using the Ultra Steady feature from the smartphone. While in the camera video mode, you could turn on the Ultra Steady with this icon as seen here to get stabilized footage, and more so, this only works when recording in 1080p and not a higher resolution. Do you want a little more detail in your photos? Let's say photos you might want to use for larger prints. You can turn on the 64 megapixel mode from the camera app, but this comes at an extra cost of storage and the images are more than double the size you get from the regular mode on your smartphone. Game mode is another tip you should know, especially considering the fact that most people getting the Infinix Note 8 are getting this device most likely to game on it a lot. With this feature turned on, you can easily record your gameplay on the Infinix Note 8, respond to your WhatsApp messages, and also a couple other features you'd love. Dark mode is yet another feature you can get from the Infinix Note 8. Even though you might not have an AMOLED display on here, this feature is something I can't live without as it makes this display soothing to the eyes while you use the smartphone. On to the tip number 10. DTS audio is a feature that can enhance your audio experience with the Infinix Note 8. To get it up on the smartphone, select the Tools folder, click on DTS Sound, toggle the switch at the top right corner on. You can now activate and tweak the EQ to your liking. This is actually lovely. Now let me teach you guys how to stop ad notification. If you want to stop those ads from your notification pane, swipe down the notification pane and click on the funnel icon you can find at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the gear settings icon, which is the notification filter settings, and toggle the ad promotion checkbox off. You have to pick one option here or turn off intelligence notification totally. Now this is an interesting tip I want to share with you guys. If you wish to have multiple instances of the same application on your Note 8, let's say you want to have 2 WhatsApp apps on your smartphone for some reason, it is quite simple using the XClone app on the Infinix Note 8. Go into your settings, scroll down to XClone and select it, then activate the app you wish to enable dual logins on. Recording a phone call conversation can come in quite handy, and since a lot of apps are no longer able to do this on Android, especially Android 10, the inbuilt call recorder from Infinix comes in handy. After you dial a phone number, you can easily click on the Start Recording option and have the recording on your device. Tip number 14. While still talking about things that give you a great experience with this smartphone, this tip is how you can easily record your phone screen. Simply swipe down the notification pane, swipe to the left ones, select Silent Screen Recording, Pick the option that best suits you and start screen record. The prompt at the mid-right corner cues you and you can stop the recording from there, which you would find in your phone's gallery. So there you have my top 14 tips and tricks you can use on the Infinix Note 8. Are there other tips you might want to share with us? Let me know in the comment section below, and also you can check out the review for this smartphone, the Infinix Note 8, linked in the description box below. Also, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for subsequent videos. Other than that is goodbye, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Kwidate.